Y'all, what is this chicken doing in the front garden? Trying to destroy the basil, the peppers, the strawberries. You guys, it's Taquisha from Our Freedom Song, and I am on my way out to the garden to just check on things. I mixed up some copper fungicide, so this is blue. I was not expecting this to be blue at all, and so it's pretty, but I wasn't expecting it to be blue. So when I mixed this up, I was like, oh, that's surprising. But I am going to be spraying these tomatoes down, well, the leaves, I guess. What is that? Oh, I thought that was my first beetle, so I haven't had to deal with any kind of beetles. Oh, we left some cucumbers out here yesterday. I do want to start to think about my next round, my succession round of things out here. And so I don't think that I'm going to plant any more zucchini, and not because I had problems with zucchini. But honestly, my family loves cucumbers so much that I think I should use this space for something that's easy for us to eat. Like I said, we don't have a although kitchen. I love zucchini, I love sauteing it. My family and our kids, they really love cucumbers, and so they get to eat cucumbers like all day long. And so I really want to plant things that they can come out and really enjoy, and the fact that they grow so fast is really incredible. And I want to be like, go outside and get a snack, you know. And so I'm going to be thinking about cucumbers. And so if you have a favorite cucumber that you just absolutely love, please leave it down in the comments below, because I'm trying to taste all the different varieties. After tasting this Yo Long cucumber, which is my favorite, that was amazing. I was like, whoa, I didn't even know cucumbers could have different flavors. So to me, the white cucumber, I think that's either a white or lemon one, the one that we picked from out of here. I didn't really taste a flavor difference, but with the Yo Long cucumber, it has a distinct flavor. And so, which I love. The kids, when we, after we picked all these and we were about to leave, they like all ran in there, got them a nice cucumber, and was like so happy that they were so big. Although I do think that they were overripe, they still enjoyed it so much. And so I definitely want to do more cucumbers like that. On a different note, oh my goodness, y'all, yesterday, that was so incredible. We went to pick out another member of our family. Oh, we are so excited because we are actually going to be adding a member to our family. I can't even take it because it's such a blessing, and we're on our way right now, and we can't wait to show you. I'm right now to pick her out, so we get to choose. Yeah. See this sweet girl just sitting right here? Well, that's our girl. I have not thought of her name yet. I'm so excited. This is literally my dream puppy, and so I've just wanted, down to the color, like I've just wanted this type for so long, and I'm just so excited. Like, I couldn't be happier, and she's just super cute. And so we're about to have a sweet little puppy to add to the Brooks family. The thing that my kids really enjoy are peppers. And I have not had success with peppers this far. Like they love, love, love bell peppers and sweet peppers. But like the pepper that I see growing right now has like what it looks like rot on it. I'm so confused about that. This one's growing and it looks healthy and the plant looks pretty healthy. And so, huh. So what I've done is I've actually zip tied the bamboo to the gate. Here you see me taking off the leaves that are dead, the ones that are crispy, as well as the ones that are yellow. So same day, different hair. Because this humidity literally fluffs me up like a fluffy poodle. It's crazy. But anyway, I had to stop gardening because I had an appointment today to do some recording. And so I am recording an EP right now, which is super duper excited. So I had to stop what I was doing in the garden, go over there and record some things. And I just wanted to share with you like just some snapshots of how that went. Okay, so I am back home in the garden and it's time for me to finish trellising these tomatoes as well as all the other things that I have going on. So I'm about to get to that right now. Okay, so I am actually going to focus on my indeterminate tomatoes at the moment as far as with these long bamboo. I'm taking the advice that I was given and I need to get these tomatoes on these trellises. have the same rot on these tomatoes as well. Here is our harvest for today. 3 zucchinis and 3 cucumbers. So we can be like, go outside, get a snack. Man, these hairs.